Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making ground beef and potato casserole. This dish is so easy to make and it's budget friendly. So for the dish I used about 7 to 8 potatoes, medium sized potatoes, and I've peeled the potatoes. Now I'm going to cut them. So I'm just going to cut them into small pieces. You can cut them into any size you like, but small pieces is better because they cook faster. So now I'm just cutting it into small pieces. Just cut the potatoes into small pieces. So for me, I've used about 8 to 7 potatoes, and I'm going to feed about 5 people, and also have some leftovers for lunch. So depending with your family, you can add as many potatoes as you like. But the whole idea is to use potato and ground beef if you have it. This doesn't need a lot of ingredients, so I'll show you how I'm going to make mine. So my potatoes are now cut. I'm going to show you how I'll prepare the potatoes so that they've got flavor, and they are cooking quite fast. So I'm just finishing off cutting my potatoes, and I'll show you in a minute how I'll make this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe if you can. So here I've got a large pan which I'm going to add oil. I'm using just vegetable oil. So I'm going to add my potatoes in a large pan, and what I'm doing is I'm going to just pan fry these potatoes until they are nice and soft. So just adding paprika, about a teaspoon and a half of paprika, black pepper, a teaspoon of black pepper, salt, and just a teaspoon of salt, and also I've got cayenne seasoning. So I'm just going to add some cayenne seasoning. So for the spices, guys, just use whatever you have, whatever you like, in your cooking. For me, these are the spices I have in my pantry. Remember, this is a budget-friendly meal, so I'm not trying to be. I'm just using the spices that is that are already in my pantry. So now I'm just gonna cook these potatoes, just frying them until they are a little bit soft. So while I think my potatoes have cooked, I'm going to add cheese in a baking tray. This is an oven baking tray. At the bottom, I'm just adding a layer of cheese. So now I'm just bringing my potatoes. Just add the potatoes in the baking tray. So the layer of the potatoes is at the bottom, but I've started with cheese, then potatoes. Then I'm going to cook my ground beef mince. In the same pan, I'm just adding a little bit more oil, and then I'm adding my mince. I've got 1 kg of mince, just beef mince. So I'm just going to break down the beef into small pieces and cook until it's nice and golden brown. So adding salt, adding black pepper, just a teaspoon of black pepper, adding cayenne seasoning, just mixing this through. Make sure the meat is nice and mixed. So now I've added 1 large onion that I've diced. So I'm just gonna cook the onion until the onion are cooked. So cook the onion for about 1 to 2 minutes until they are nice and soft. I'm adding 2 diced carrots. So just 2 diced carrots, which I will cook also for a minute or two. About 6 cloves to 7 cloves of garlic that I've diced. Just adding that in there too. So garlic brings a little bit of flavor into, so I've added a little bit of garlic, 7 cloves of garlic. So now I'm just adding capsicum. I've cut half a capsicum, red capsicum, half. Just adding in there too, and I'm going to cook until all the veggies are nice and soft. So now I'm just going to add tomato puree, about a half a cup of tomato puree, and also adding 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. So 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. So just mixing the tomato puree and cook the tomato puree for a few minutes. So now I'm going to add a tablespoon of mixed herbs just to add more flavor into my ground beef. So mixed herbs, just adding that in and cook and make sure everything is mixed together. Adding beef stock, about half a cup of beef stock. So guys, if you are looking for a budget meal, this is one of those budget meals that you can cook. Especially if you want to feed a large family, this is something you can make on a budget. So I'm just gonna simmer this until the sauce is thickened. Now I'm just going to add the sauce, the ground beef, on top of my potatoes that I've made earlier. So just making a layer of the ground beef, and this is how it looks. So just adding some cheese, adding a layer of cheese on top. So now I'm going to bake in the oven for 15 minutes. So 200 degrees in the oven for 15 minutes, and I will show you this is how this ground beef and potato casserole look like. It looks delicious and it was delicious. The kids loved it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you can. Thank you.